Want to solve real problems with AI, even if you don't know how to code. Or maybe you are a developer who want to build faster and smarter. Either way, this series is for you. Starting now, I'm launching new video format when each problem gets solved twice. Once with no-code tools like N8N and once with the Python code by Identic AI and FastAPI framework. Here is how it works. We'll pick a real-world problem like categorization of first types, answering any emails with AI, or creating a chatbot with your documents. First, I'll show you how to automate it with N8N, no coding required. And then we'll rebuild exact same things with a clean Python code with using the tool that real devs use in production. This is perfect for beginners learning to code by solving real business problems, developers who want to level up with AI tools, or business owners who just want working solutions and might even hire someone to build more. First video will be how to set up your Python dev environment with Pydantic AI, FastAPI, and Ollama for local LLMs. Then we'll configure N8N to run locally with the use of Docker and build your first RAG-based automation. And then every week we'll tackle one problem twice. First with no code and then with pro code. If you want to build solutions that actually solve problems, not just toy apps, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's build things that matter together.